Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So welcome back to the part third of our Appointox introduction series. In this part of the video, we will explain you how you can add specialists, how you can add available slots, and how you can select the booking templates. Alright. So first of all, we will see boards. In our board section, it will now show that our WhatsApp bot is running, and we can also enable AI voice calling and frequently asked questions in our bot. So there will be buttons in our bot for AI calling. Once we enable AI calling, then we will enable this. So first we will go to specialist. We will add specialist. Add a specialist. For example, add myself as a specialist. Add farm dot tech. Specialty I would go for cardiology. Number Telegram username. Telegram chat ID. It is optional, and Google Calendar ID. This is my Google Calendar ID. Save specialist. So now a specialist is created here. Let me enable the focus mode so we don't get any notifications. So now specialist is created. Now we select a booking template. We will go to library. You can also create a custom template name, description, and questions here. Add question. For example, add question, you will add a question and then text type answer. If you have a single choice text answer, single choice, you can add options. Specialist selection, special will be selected. So everything covered. You can select create custom, and you can also use our templates. So we will select for example this one. So we will click on edit. Here you can see template name is this, description is this. Select service. First question will be select service. Single choice, yes. Options are these. Then specialist, yes, we will go with specialist. If you want to add specialist, then it's up to you. Otherwise you can remove it from here as well. You can also change the, you can see, you can also change the order of the questions as well. So we will move the specialist at 2, select service at the top. You see it's drag and drop. Specialist at 2. So hey, these are all the questions. You can like move them around, or you can also remove. After these questions, it will ask them for date and time, and user will select, and that booking will be created. So I updated template. It is saving our template. Template updated. Now we will activate this template. So this template is activated on our Telegram bot or WhatsApp bot. If live, then WhatsApp bot will be also activated here. Now we will add availability. You can also add date range from start and end date. For example, we want from today to uh, 5th of May. Specialist cardiology Ahmed Afan and time slots. These. These 3 time slots on each day of between these. So slots are being added. You can see slots are being added for each day. Each day slots are added. You can add single slot as well. You can also add a recurring slot based on this. Specialist is always optional. If you use specialist, that would be great. If you don't use, that would also be great. It's up to you. It's all up to you. You can also add a quick appointment slot as well, only one from here, using these options. So now availability is there, specialist is there, booking template is there, Telegram bot is also live. Now we will go to Telegram and made a booking. So book appointment. Here you can see first question is there, haircut. Select specialist, any available or any particular specialist. I select any particular specialist. I will add my first name, Mr. Ali. You accept. Delete data at the moment. Mail special request. I want an cardiology appointment. So these loads we added. I select this one. I select this time. You can see booking is made. This is my booking code. This is the specialist, and these are all the details. Now when I go to the bookings, I will see this booking in my CRM. Here you can see. You can also view full details here. You can also see the questions and answers here. You can also reschedule or cancel any booking at them. So in this way, Telegram bot do bookings. We will also show you how WhatsApp bot do booking in a separate video later. So that's all. We have covered all the first 8 points for the dashboard in the previous and this part of the video. In the next part of the videos, we will see remaining features in our dashboard. So keep in touch with us and see you in the next part of the video. Goodbye. Have a nice day.